how to use LinkedIn job search. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use LinkedIn job search effectively. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the LinkedIn website. You'll need to sign in, and you have two options here. You can either sign in with your Google account for quick access or simply log in with your existing LinkedIn account. Once you're in, look for the search bar at the very top of the screen on the left-hand side. This is where the magic happens because it's your entry point to finding jobs. Now, type in the job title or keyword you're interested in. For example, you could search software engineer, marketing manager, or even remote customer support. The more specific you are, the better LinkedIn can filter results for you. After you hit enter, you'll see a list of job postings that match your criteria. Take some time to scroll through the results and see what stands out. When you find a role that looks interesting, click on it. This will open up the job details page where you can read the description, check the requirements, and see how to apply. One tip here, always look at who posted the job. If it was shared by a recruiter or someone at the company, you might be able to connect with them for insights or even a referral. That little step can make a big difference. Once you found a job that feels like a good fit, go ahead and apply directly through LinkedIn. And that's it. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job hunt.